Hello children, we'll see one more word problem now. The question is, or the problem is, Anandita climbed up 9 stairs. Anandita climbed up 9 stairs. She came down 4 stairs. On which stair is she now? What do you do? Do you add them up or do you subtract? What do you do here? So let's imagine, for your imagination or for your understanding, I will draw 9 steps here. So 9 stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Anandita, she climbed up 9 stairs. Okay, she climbed up 9 stairs. Now she is on the 9th stair. Then they asked her, she came down 4 stairs. What did she do next? She came down. How many stairs did she come down? 4. First she climbed up 9 stairs. Then she came down 4 stairs. She's standing here. She is coming. She came down. How many stairs did she came down? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stairs did she come down? 4 stairs. So we'll stop at the 4th stair. Now what can we say? On which stair is she now? She is on the 5th stair. She is on the 5th stair. What are we doing here? We are coming down or we are counting backwards. Counting backwards is nothing but on the number line. What did we learn? Counting backwards is subtraction. What is it? Counting backwards is subtraction. So from this we can understand, we can tell the answer as she is on 5th stair. But when you are given word problem, we have to frame the sentences and write statements also we have to write. So not sentences, statements. We have to frame the statements and write them. Okay? So we'll start writing the statements. Solution. Number of stairs climbed. We'll write the statement. Number of stairs climbed. How many are there? 9. She came down 4 stairs. So, number of stairs she came down. You can write it from the problem itself. Okay? There is no need to worry. You can write the statements from the problem itself. Number of stairs she came down is 4. From this picture, what did we understand? She came down. We are counting backwards for the steps. So we know counting backwards is nothing but subtraction. So we'll write minus. Okay, we'll write minus. Since there is only one column, that is the ones column, there is no need to mark ones and tens. This is a single digit number. Now start subtracting. 4 in your mind. Count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers did you get? How many fingers did you get? 5. So the answer is 5. She is on the 5th stair. We know from the diagram. But we have to write the steps or the statements. So the answer is 5. On which stair is she now? So we will write the statement as Anandita is on. The final statement we will write again as Anandita is on 5th stair now. Okay, where is she? Anandita is on 5th stair now. Okay? By the picture or the figure which we drew on the board, we can say it is 5. But we have to write the statements for the word problems. So we'll write the word problems, statements, and then finally we'll write the answer. By this we can understand came down, left, taken away, or give away, or flew away. What we have to do from this we understand. By these all words we understand we have to do subtraction. What we have to do? We have to do subtraction. Okay? We'll see one more now.